Okay, I'd like to talk through the eMember membership plugin and where I'm at with it, and trying to fault find the bugs that seem to be currently in it. So firstly, under WP eMember membership level, clicking on that will bring you to this level here. I've set up a level ID. Well, the level ID is the membership level. I've called it Australia, and it's got some settings in it. I'll just quickly go through them. So in the membership level, we've got Australia, a subscriber. After login, they're going to get redirected to the map page, which we'll talk about shortly. Basically unrestricted access, no expiry, and that's kind of it for there. Now in Manage Content Protection, if I come into General Protection, it says here, first of all, globally protect the content on your site by selecting General Protection from the drop-down box, and then select the items that you would like protected. So if I go to Pages, you can see that the About Us page I don't want protected. That's something that non-logged in users I would like them to see. And all of my pages, my premium content, has ticks in it. Now if I go to, I think it's 4, and come down to the bottom, so the map page, which is the one we're going to focus on, that has ticks in it. So protect this content. It's already got ticks in it. Now if I change this to the membership level of Australia, it says next select an existing membership level from the drop down box below, and then select the items you want to grant access to for that particular membership level. So once again, number 4, basically what that's saying is a tick means grant access. So I've got ticks in the map as well. So that's essentially how this plugin tells me, as far as I know, how to protect a page, number 1, from visitors, and then to allow access once users are logged in. So that's that component. That's what I wanted to show you there. Now if I go to the About Us page up here, this is an unprotected page that anybody can see. I'm not logged in at the moment. There's no WordPress admin bar at the top. Looking at the login here that we've been working on, if I put in stephenleeyears@gmail.com, I will place the password. Well, it's the same. The password in here is the same password that I've given you for other components of the website. It's all the same at the moment. So using that, if I log in, see if it does it. Please wait. This time it's a bit buggy, and there's a number of scenarios that can happen when this button is clicked. This time it's telling me please wait, and it's not actually doing anything. Now I've just paused the video and cleared the browser cache, and then clicked on the login again. This is the other scenario that happens. It does redirect to the map page, but I get all of this information here. Now it's something to do with eMember. If I turn the plugin off, this won't happen, and you can see eMember protection object, etc., etc. So it looks like there's some sort of protection going on there. Now there's a number of issues to deal with. Firstly, if I was to click on the login, I'm already subscribed for that username and password. So what should happen is when I click on it, it should take me to the map page, which is the unprotected. There's a demo page which has got the map and the footer on it that you've seen, and then there's the map page, which is essentially the same page, but it doesn't have the footer down the bottom, and it's going to have a lot more markers on it. It's the unrestricted premium content. So every time they click on a marker around Australia, they'll go to lots and lots of pages. So clicking on the login will take me to the map and expose the map here. That's not working. If I type in demo, which is the unrestricted page, there shouldn't be any restrictions on this page. Let's see what it's going to do. Looks to be the same thing. Looks like this information is here again. Now it does change. Sometimes it appears, sometimes it doesn't. I don't understand it. The other issue is when I log in, this should change to log out, and demo should change to map. Now if I go to let's see, menus, so I've got my normal visitor menu, so people who've just come to the site haven't logged in. Demo should be there, which is great. Login should be there. There's a custom link in here. I will send you a link to where I got this information to do this, which makes the fancy box drop down apparently work. I'll supply that to you, how I did that. And then if I go to the logged in members section, select. Okay, so now it's got map, which is the correct link rather than the demo, now that they're logged in. And there's also log out, which has got Scenic Gems event logout, etc. So that's kind of where I'm at with it, but as I've stated, this isn't changing to log out, this isn't changing to map. So whether the fancy login is actually logging in to the database, I'm unsure. Also, I've been through, I've set up a payment gateway. So if I go to About Us, I'll just check it. As I scroll down to the bottom. So the Unlock Now button, if I was to click that, it's a PayPal button at 1 cent. And I've been through that process and got the confirmation email, clicked on the confirmation email to register as a new user, and the redirection works to the map page. What did I do with it? I must have closed it. Or overwritten this page to the map page, and that all that code is there once again. So I don't actually think it's the pop-up. I think it's actually something to do more with the plugin protecting the pages. So I hope I've tried to explain where I'm at with this plugin as best I can. I need a developer to go through what's happening on the website with this plugin and essentially fix and get the membership of the WPE member plugin working correctly, and if not, if there are questions which need to be asked, I'm happy to go to the plugin developers or the authors and ask them direct questions and feedback to you any questions that you might have. Okay, so I'll leave it there. Thanks a lot.